Hello friends, welcome to my channel ELS English Literature Studies with Kaur Harpreet. Today I am here with one more video which is based on multiple choice questions and topic is sonnet. Before that I have already discussed multiple choice questions on poetry and then mock epic. If you are interested, you can check those videos. Link will be provided for your convenience in the description box. And so let us start with today's video in which I will discuss MCQs which are based on sonnets. So my first question is a term meaning two consecutive lines of poetry that rhyme. Options are given: quatrain, couplet, sestet and sonnet, right? And for those who are newcomers or those who are new friends on my channel, answers will be given at the end of the video, so stay tuned and you will get answers at the end of the video. And one thing more, I will just give a list of 15 questions, and if I feel that I have to discuss this point, only then I will discuss. Otherwise, each and every topic is already discussed in my previous videos, and if you want you can firstly check those videos and then attempt these MCQ questions, right? So without wasting any time, let us start with first question. A term meaning two consecutive lines of poetry that rhyme. Is it quatrain, couplet, sestet or sonnet? Then my second question is, what is the title of the series written by Elizabeth Robert Browning? Again, it is already discussed in previous video, so no need to discuss here again. Options are Modern Love, House of Life, Sonnets from the Portuguese or the Holy Sonnets. All these are discussed in my previous video named as Sonnet series, and thanks a lot for showing so much love for this video. Then question number 3 is, Milton wrote a sonnet on the death of his wife. The sonnet is entitled On His Deceased Wife. What was the name of his wife who is addressed in this sonnet? Options are Mary Paul, or he is talking about only an imaginary woman, or is it Catherine Woodcock, or none of the above? Question number 4. This poem form is made up of an octave and a sestet. You have to find poem form. Is it Petrarchan sonnet, free verse, Shakespearean sonnet or poetry? This poem form is made up of an octave and sestet. Question number 5. Who has written the sonnet If Thou Must Love Me? The sonnet If Thou Must Love Me is written by whom? Keats, Shelley, D.G. Rossetti or Elizabeth Barrett Browning? Next question is, this type of sonnet is made up of 3 quatrains and 1 couplet. Is it Petrarchan sonnet, free verse, Shakespearean sonnet or poetry? Again, it is already discussed in one video in which I have told you about what is Petrarchan sonnet and what is Shakespearean sonnet and how these sonnets are different from each other, right? So you can easily answer this question. This type of sonnet is made up of 3 quatrains and 1 couplet. Next question is question number 7. What is the characteristic of the sonnet? It is in iambic pentameter, it rhymes, it has an octave and sestet, or all of the above. Question number 8. How do Shakespearean and Petrarchan sonnet differ? Shakespearean sonnets have 2 stanzas, while Petrarchan sonnets have 3 quatrains and a couplet. Second option, Shakespearean sonnets have octave and sestet, while Petrarchan sonnets have 20 lines. Option C, Shakespearean sonnets have 3 quatrains and a couplet, while Petrarchan sonnets have 2 parts. Last option is Shakespearean sonnets have 20 lines while Petrarchan sonnets have 10 lines. How these two sonnets are different from each other, you have to tick the right answer. Next is question number 9. Italian sonnets are named after dash while English sonnets are named after dash. You have to fill it. Options are like this: Petrarch or Milton. Second option is Spenser or Milton. Third is again Petrarch or William Shakespeare. And fourth is Shakespeare and Petrarch. Italian sonnets are named after dash while English sonnets are named after dash. Question number 10. Many of the Shakespeare sonnets appear to be addressed to a woman, popularly known as. You have to answer, is it the Lady of the Lake, the Secret Mistress, the Dark Lady, or the Lady of the Sonnets? Question number 11. Although Shakespeare's sonnets were not published until 1609, two of them had previously appeared in which 1599 anthology? Although Shakespeare's sonnets were not published until 1609, two of them had previously appeared in which 1599 anthology? The Passionate Pilgrim, the Countess of Pembroke's Arcadia, the Model of Poesy, or A Divine Century of Spiritual Sonnets? Question number 12. Spenser's Amoretti is a collection of his love lyrics or collection of love sonnets, or it is a sonnet written on the death of Sidney, or it is a sonnet addressed to Queen Elizabeth? Spenser's sonnet series Amoretti, which was published in 1595, and it was addressed to his bride, right? Is it a collection of his love lyrics, a collection of love sonnets, a sonnet written on the death of Sidney, or a sonnet addressed to Queen Elizabeth? Next question is, the first collection of songs and sonnets is called Tottel's Miscellany, right? And who was Tottel? It is already discussed in my sonnet series. Who was Tottel? The name of the publisher, the name of the poet, the name of a critic, or the name of a patron of poets? Question number 14. Very easy, I think very easy to answer. How many sonnets in all were written by Milton? Very easy, but sometimes very confusing. Is it 151, 152, 153, 154? And then question number 15. The last 6 lines of a Miltonic sonnet are divided into 2 groups of 3 lines each. What is the group of 3 lines called? The last 6 lines of a Miltonic sonnet are divided into 2 groups of 3 lines each. What is the group of 3 lines called? So friends, this is all about my today's video. I hope you will like the content, and if you like it, please hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel. And if you are new to my channel, please hit the bell button so that you can get notifications from my upcoming videos. And before leaving, let us have a look on answers. These are the answers. So friends, thanks a lot for watching.